Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Watkins garlic salt. This is organic, and if you look at it, it actually has real garlic right in there. It is a grinder as well. And let's open this up. Okay, so there it is. Comes the cap, and as you can see, it's a grinder, so you can just spin the top, and then it'll come in and you can actually just put it out. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, so here are the potatoes all done with the garlic salt. Let's do a quick taste test right here. Yeah, it's good. Nice, like traditional garlic salt. So, alright guys, 10 more videos.